Fix payment method declined on App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix payment method declines on App Store. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix payment method declined on App Store, all you have to do is all Apple is telling you is that the payment issue has the issue. So it's not your phone that has the issue, it's just the payment method that you've added. So what you can actually try to do is open up your settings, tap on your Apple ID profile here. Then you will see this sort of interface where what you want to do is go to your payment and shipping option here. Then when you go to payment and shipping option, you will simply be able to go ahead and then basically remove the current payment method. If you have another payment method, just try to enter those and see if that payment method gets through, because the issue could be with the issuer or the card that you had been using. Maybe you ran out of balance, or maybe they had an issue with the card themselves. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.